perspective. Just one final word for Gaurang Shah of Geojit BNP Paribas Financial Services, who's also with us. Gaurang, what's your take? I know you track auto stocks quite closely. How are you looking at all of these developments put together?
Good afternoon, Samira, and thank you for that. I think it's a great opportunity to buy. But I wonder what will happen to the decision of Aam Aadmi Party, who is planning to add buses to the Delhi Transport Authority and Corporation because of that odd-even formula. I think the Aam Aadmi Party decided to add buses to connect the last connectivity.
Gaurang, yes. Let me come in over there.
Yes, yes.
Let me come in over there. Now, this is an original Delhi-eye talking. As of now, I think the entire 100% bus fleet of the city is already on CNG. On that note, I want to put up IGL as well. I mean, some winners, some losers always in a market. Just take a look at the reaction on IGL because of all of this commentary that's been doing the rounds over the last 10-15 minutes or so. That stock's in the green. It spiked up as that order came out. So, I mean, sorry to interrupt. I was just saying that I think the buses will still stand because most of them are flying on CNG anyway. Back to you.
So that's a respite, and one stock that I can identify over here from that same commercial vehicle space is Ashok Leyland, because Ashok Leyland does not have a sizable amount of presence in northern India. It is more of a southern India kind of player, and the stock has corrected from 9900 odd levels to currently, as we speak, at closely somewhere around 85. As a disclosure, we do have a coverage over there, and you know, this NGT order, I think there's going to be a lot of opposition, and maybe it might be taken up to the court also with some amount of petition being filed, etc., etc. But you know, because of this, is there going to be any significant impact? Well, I really don't think so.